whose, whose. In this video, I will go through the difference between these two words. These are commonly confused words in English, however, the difference is very simple to understand. Whose. Whose is the contraction of who is or who has. For example, who's free next weekend? The sentence would still make sense if I said, who is free next weekend? However, in everyday English, we use the contraction in order to speak faster. Another example is, I don't know who's coming to the party. Again, the sentence would still make sense if I said, I don't know who is coming to the party. Whose. Whose is the possessive form of who. So we're talking about something belonging to someone. For example, whose book is this? She's the girl whose bag is red. A common mistake is to use these words interchangeably. This is grammatically incorrect. An easy way to realize if you're using the correct word is to identify whether the sentence would still make sense if you used who is or who has in the sentence. If it does make sense, then you use whose with the apostrophe. If it doesn't make sense, then you use whose, as you're most likely to be talking about possession. Let's try with these examples. If I replace the word with who is or who has, the question wouldn't make sense. Who is book is this? Who has book is this?